Welcome to this full guide on converting a boat to electric power. Today we're going to change a 1986 Carver 28-foot yacht, replacing its gas engines with a super-efficient electric system. This job needs careful technical work and special knowledge about boat systems. We start by looking closely at the engine room. See the two gas engines and the big gas tanks that take up most of the space. Our first step is to safely disconnect all the fuel lines, electrical systems, and cooling connections. Safety is super important at every step. Taking out the engines needs special skills. We use the right lifting gear to remove each gas engine and its gearbox. Look how the engine beds are completely empty, making room for our new electric parts. Now we're going to take out the gas tanks. This important step needs all the gas fumes to be cleared out before we remove them. The tanks free up a lot of space, which will be key for our high-power battery bank. Putting in the 45-kilowatt electric motors is the main part of our conversion. Each motor connects right to the existing propeller shafts through the original packing glands. The controllers and inverters are put in smart places to make the most of the space and airflow. The Powerwall-style battery bank goes into the space where the gas tanks used to be. The BMS system checks each battery cell, while the high-voltage wiring is put in following strict boat safety rules. Every connection must be watertight and not rust. Finally, we connect the system to the dock charging port and install the new digital control panel. The result is a clean, quiet and efficient engine room. Our Carver yacht now sails completely silently, with no pollution and very little upkeep. Electric conversion is the future of fun boating.